Hello student, how are you? In this video, I will teach you types of data. Normally, two types of data. One is qualitative data and the second is quantitative data. Again, two types of qualitative data and two types of quantitative data. Qualitative data, nominal, ordinal. Nominal data, ordinal data. In quantitative data, discrete data, continuous data. So let's start first qualitative data. Some variable can be classified by qualitative means. Qualitative, let's look like two example and their corresponding qualitative data. For our first example, we consider leaf characters. In this case, we look at leaf shape. Leaf shape and qualitative is nominal. It goes to the term of nominal because there is no clear order between each category. For our second example, we consider temperature. A qualitative way of accessing temperature are by the categories cool, cold, warm and hot. In variable, could then be qualitative or ordinal since there is a specific order to the category options. In some instances, qualitative data can also be numerical. However, qualitative data cannot be used for further calculation. For example, finding the sum of average of postal code will not be generated useful information. The second, qualitative data. Following of example previously slides, let's look and how given example of leaf characters and temperature can be classified as quantitative data. For leaf character, we have wanted to know the number of leaf per plant. These could be continued for each plant. Leaf plant could be quantitative and discrete. Finally, temperature can be classified quantitative using the thermometer. Data presentations. Oftentimes, quantitative data and qualitative data can be confused with one another. This can be due to a misuse of terms and error of data labeling or simply because there is a apparent overlap in its classification. So this is the types of data. If you want to know any further information about any questions, please comments on my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.